Welcome to our showdown of two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY and the Smug. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which ice maker is the best fit for your needs. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, but they come with different price points and design elements. Let's dive in and see how they compare. When it comes to price, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $99, while the Smug model is more budget-friendly at just $69. This significant price difference makes the Smug an attractive option for those looking for a cost-effective solution without sacrificing performance. See if the features justify the higher price of the AGLUCKY. Portability is another key factor to consider. The AGLUCKY model has a more stationary design without an integrated handle, making it less convenient to move around. In contrast, the Smug Countertop ice maker features a handy carrying handle, making it ideal for outdoor use, camping trips, or moving between rooms. This could be a deciding factor for users who value mobility. Both machines excel in ice production, with the AGLUCKY producing 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, and the Smug slightly edging ahead at 26.5 pounds. They both can produce 9 cubes in about 6 minutes, making them efficient options for quick ice needs. This performance is crucial for parties or gatherings where ice is in high demand. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Smug Countertop ice makers offer impressive features and performance for their price points. The AGLUCKY provides a robust design and self-cleaning function, while the Smug excels in portability and affordability. Depending on your specific needs, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.